Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my journey. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you fall in love with my content. I really hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please consider clicking the subscribe button below. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Your continuous support is highly appreciated, guys. Thank you for all the likes, the comments. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing, guys. I really do appreciate it. So today is Monday, and tomorrow I plan on going out to the English. Tomorrow I plan out on going to the grocery store. So I'm gonna wipe down my fridge before I put in some fresh food, and I'm gonna be using the handy Andy multi-purpose cleaner with bleach. I find that it cleans my fridge quite well on the inside. I haven't tried it on the outside, but on the inside it cleans the shelves quite well, as well as the sides. So that is the cleaner that I'm gonna be using. My fridge, I have to admit, today is really dirty. Apart from being disorganized, it was really dirty. I don't know how it got so dirty so quick, but anyway, there's a couple of food stuff that I need to throw away because it has gone off, or some food that we're not planning on eating, so I'm gonna throw it out. I also got a few things over the weekend that we needed, a couple of snacks, and I think I also got some bleach for the toilets. Yeah, it's not a lot of stuff, but yeah, I'll show you guys once I am done wiping down the fridge. So I'm done wiping down the fridge, and I've returned all the food that we're still going to eat. It wasn't much really, but yeah, some of these sauces I got over the weekend and they've been sitting on the counter. I was so lazy to put them in the fridge because I just wanted to clean it before I add in any more food. Then I picked up these cocktail bases, and I got it in mango. One is mango and the other one is strawberry. I wanted to try it with some sparkling water. It tasted amazing. I really enjoyed it. I know you're supposed to have it with like your vodka or I don't know what else. It came with the recipe book on the neck of the bottle, but I tried it with sparkling water and it was amazing. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
you come over? I wish that you would come and give me.
So every morning I try and drink water. Um, to be quite honest, I do not know how much is enough water for a day, but the bottle that you see me using is, I think, the 1 liter one. Yeah, it came as a set. The one is a 2 liter, this one is 1 liter, and I forgot how much the third one is. I think it's 500 ml. So every day I make sure I drink at least a liter of water, because some people say 2 liters, some say 1 liter, some say a liter and a half. So you know what? I just make sure I drink at least 1 liter of water every day.
We've been making magic, and sometimes I get nervous, but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby, I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient.
Over here, I was preparing my needle and my wool, because I wanted to sew the blanket. Guys, if I tell you the story about what happened with this blanket, you are gonna laugh. But anyway, so this is what happened. Um, I'm not somebody who knows a lot about blankets, so if it's written 2 ply, 3 ply, 4 ply, or however many ply, I really do not know what it means. I just know that there are heavy blankets and there are light blankets. There are blankets that we use when we're sitting on the couch, you know, that are not necessarily blankets we would sleep with. At least I know that much. But when it came to this blanket, we went to Joburg CBD with my sister, and she's a little bit clued up about blankets. But unfortunately, that day she was busy with her own shopping, and I just, you know, browsed around however many shops I went to, and I bumped into this one. So I really loved the print, and I really loved it. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go with this one. So I asked about it. They told me, oh, it's so warm, it can fit into your machine, and all of that stuff. Guess what? Get home. Okay, we used the blanket. It's all good and well. And then I think after about a month or two, everything that's on the inside, I don't know what you call it, but all the stuff, okay, let's call it stuffing. I'll call it stuffing. All the stuffing started moving to one corner. So the blanket started being so light and empty, so to speak. And my husband and I were just laughing about it, because he was like, but you went with your sister to Joburg. Why didn't you ask her to help you with choosing a blanket? And I said, oh, but she was busy, And so the only solution to the problem we had was for me to open this blanket with a razor and take all of the stuffing out, essentially, and just let it be the blanket that it now is, which is very light. It's really not that warm because the stuffing is out. I don't know what you call it, but whatever, stuffing. um so after I took everything out on the inside, I forgot to knit and close it, you know um close it up again. So that's what I was doing right here. I was just closing it because my husband has been complaining and saying this thing gets around his neck and he can't sleep. We even made a joke about it and said it's a seat safety belt of some sort. But yeah, so that's basically what I was doing over here. blankets, the maroon and the blue one. Guys, you will not believe. I kid you not. My mom bought me these blankets before I was even a teen. Yep. Somewhere in 90 something, my mom bought these blankets, and it has been so difficult to let go of them. As you can see in this bed, we have so many blankets, and the reason why is because these two blankets aren't even warm anymore. I don't know, but maybe I am a borderline hoarder of some sort, but I just find it so difficult to let go of these two blankets. Like, I love them, I really do, and I don't want them to sit in the wardrobe and just collect dust. But at the same time, I don't want to let go of them, even though, let's be honest, they no longer serving their purpose, honestly. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you have anything that you just don't want to let go of. Like, you've had it for so many years because it means something to you. Like, with these blankets, I think the reason why I can't let go of them is because this is something that my mom bought me, and I've had it for so many years. So it's just making it hard to let go. Let me know if you have something that you don't want to let go of because it means something to you. The linen spray that I'm using, I got off of the Bash app, but I think it was from Exact, and I got it for 100 rands. Okay, first stop, Checkers. I bought all my lunch meats, cheese, bread, and vegetables, and then I remembered I was out of shampoo and conditioner, so I grabbed that as well. I think I hadn't washed my hair for about a week and a half, and I usually wash my hair every week, so it was really in desperate need of a wash, so I grabbed my conditioner and shampoo. Then I went to Clicks and bought the rest of our toiletries. And then my brother needed to go to Mr. Price. He needed a couple of shirts and shorts. And then where else did I go? I can't remember, but you guys will see it after this. I saw really beautiful heels at Mr. Price. I remember I got the white sandal, which you will see in a moment, as well as the purple or lilac court shoe. Is it a court shoe? Okay, let's just call it a heel for now. I got those two, but I didn't buy them on the day. I ended up buying them online because I don't know what I was busy with, so I couldn't make it to the mall, so I bought them online. Absolutely love. I wear them when I go to church. As you all know, okay, maybe I haven't mentioned it, but I work from home, so I don't necessarily wear heels when I'm at home. So the only time I get to wear heels or dress up, so to speak, is when I'm going to church. So Can't wait to wear those. I am so excited. Okay, so the next store we went to was Ackerman's Woman. I didn't really buy anything. I was just browsing to see what's available, what's in, and yeah, just window shopping.
The same. I'm the one you're trying to claim. Yeah, I already know about your game, but I'm not the one to sit around and be played. Call me up with no shame. All your words sound the same. Yeah, I already know about your game, but I'm not the one to sit around and be played. If you come around just to play me, don't bother, cause you ain't overdue. Don't even try to convince me. Don't bother, cause now I see you through. About your stupid games. Come around. If you come around just to play me, don't bother, cause you ain't overdue. Don't even try to convince me. Don't bother, cause now I see you through.
Welcome back. So I am currently at Cappuccino's. We are at Cappuccino's, my husband and I. We are waiting for Gogo and my two brothers. They just drove into a parking. I think they're just looking for a parking spot right now. And then yeah, we're gonna have dinner. I called my mom when we arrived and she said no, we can go in and just reserve a table for 6. So we're just waiting for them. The lady who got us this table, I don't know whether they call them waiters as well, I'm not sure, but she said as soon as everybody is here she said she'll get a waiter who's going to serve us. So I'm assuming the waiter is going to come with the menus, or these are the menus. I don't know because I can't see clearly, but I think this is the menu. Yeah, this is the menu. So I assume when the waiter comes through, then he or she is gonna be taking our orders. So yeah, I can't wait until my dad retires. I feel like he's been working for such a long time, and you can see for you know what, now he's really tired. Like, he's super tired. He has loads of work to do. Sometimes he doesn't even finish on time. So yeah, I think it's about time
he retires. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this evening. I don't think I'm gonna vlog much because they have music playing in the background, so I don't want to be copyrighted. And besides, we don't have mics, so I don't think you guys will be able to hear what we're saying. But I will show you guys what everybody is eating, what everybody ordered, and yeah, um, let's have a great evening. I can't wait. I'll see you guys. I don't know, maybe when we get home or maybe tomorrow, because I think I'm still gonna continue this vlog. But we'll see. If I see which I've got enough content, or the video is going to be long enough, or the vlog is going to be long enough, then I'll come back just to close off the vlog, and yeah, so we'll take it from there. I'll see you guys later. Ah.
Good morning, guys. So this was Saturday morning, and I was at the mall because was it Tuesday? Yeah, I think Tuesday, when I said I was going to the mall to run a few errands. I couldn't do everything, so I moved everything up to or for Saturday. So I woke up, went to the mall, and yeah, did everything, the rest of everything that I needed to do, and then I popped into Pep Home. And guys, I don't know if this is just me, but most of the time when I go window shopping, it ends up being shopping anyway, because I walk into these stores just to see what's on offer, but then I bump into something for some reason. I bump into something that I didn't know I needed, and I end up buying something. I don't know, guys. Is it just me? Like, but anyway, so this time there wasn't anything that I bought, so yay, saved some coins. And then I also went for some window shopping at Hi-Fi Corp, and I absolutely loved this TV. Okay, so every Sunday my mom prepares lunch for everyone. Like she's done this for so many years. Like, we can cook during the week and whatever, but every Sunday she enjoys making Sunday lunch for everyone. So on this particular Sunday, she woke up and was getting ready to go and cook, because she usually cooks before church. So she wakes up a little bit early to make sure that she's done cooking by the time she goes to church. So she realizes that she doesn't have any vegetables. I think she only had like spinach, and she wanted pumpkin and beetroot, cauliflower, and yeah, she had a list. So she asks my dad if he can go to the local fruit and vegetable shop to get some veggies. And so yeah, that's where we went. My dad asked me to tag along, so hey, I tagged along. And then as we were at the grocery store, so we go to the meat section, right? So as we get to the end of the fruit and veg aisle, we see malam khodu, right? And we've been craving it, like, I think for about a week or two now. And my dad says, okay, seeing that we've been craving this for a while, how about we get this instead of mom cooking lunch? We'll still get her vegetables. Maybe she'll cook them during the week, but maybe let's get malam khodu, and then that's what we'll have today. We'll also save her, from cooking. At least today she can rest, because malam khodu, there's not much to do, guys. You just put it on the stove, add your spices, and just let it boil for a couple of hours. So we called mom and asked her if she has an alternative, because she doesn't really like malam khodu, and yeah, she was okay with it. And so that is what we got, guys. I enjoyed it so much. I love malam khodu, especially with samp. Unfortunately, this time we had it with pap, which is okay. I enjoy it, but with samp, oh guys, guys, it is so delicious. I enjoy it with samp. Guys, the worst that could have happened happened. So, in a nutshell, we got home, took all the meat, washed it, added into the pot, and everything else that needed to go in for the meat to boil, put it onto the stove. Just as it was about to boil, I think it was just simmering, just as it was about to boil, the lights went out. The app didn't notify us, nothing. So basically, it wasn't load shedding. There was something wrong. Okay, we later then learned that there was something wrong with the cables. But anyway, we ended up setting up outside and our dinner was ready in a couple of hours. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one.